into Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is all about chemistry. Chemistry is the study of... Matter and how it changes. Yes, what is matter? Anything that has... Yes, all right. And we break it in, because it's such a big area, we break it down into pure and mixtures, pure substances. Emmy, pure substances can be either what or what? You don't have any idea, do you? Well, then pay attention, yes.
Pure elements or compounds?
Yes, elements or compounds. The smallest particle of an element is an...
Molecule.
No. Atom, the smallest particle of a compound is a... Or ion, depending on how it's bonded together, right?
Right.
If it's a covalent bond, then it is a molecule. If it's an ionic bond, it is an ion. Are we getting this? Okay, over here in the mixture end of things. You got homogeneous, heterogeneous. Just give me an example of a homogeneous mixture. Kool-Aid, very good, thank you. And how about for... No, for heterogeneous, not evenly mixed, CNS? Chicken noodle soup, okay. How much of our body is oxygen? 65%. Remembering this? All right, what's that big molecule that had C16H10N2O2? Say indigo. Remember that? All right. And, okay, physical chemical properties, we're so clever. We use them. We take advantage of them. This isn't working back there. Young lady, move up here next to, what's his name? Michael. Yeah, I know. I'm just blabbing. Okay, changes in matter. We got physical, chemical changes. How do you know a chemical change is taking place? Ha! What, a new substance? Remember, yes.
When the properties are changed.
Yes. In particular, we just studied this in a later chapter, so this was just an introduction, but we are talking when a solid is formed, when a gas is formed, when what is released? Energy. Okay, you guys got it. All right. And physical changes are just how it looks. We're out of 2, we're into...